Hello student, this is your chapter accounting for partnership firm. I will show you some more sum of final account for the partnership. So you try to understand. This is one of the question from the following trial balance of Das and Sharma. There are two partners. Prepare profit and loss account. Question asks to prepare profit and loss account. Profit and loss appropriation account, then asked profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2011 and also asked to prepare a balance sheet as on that date. ठीक है, इस क्वेश्चन में हम लोग को प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट बनाना है, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट बनाना है और बैलेंस शीट बनाना है और दो पार्टनर्स इस क्वेश्चन में है. ठीक है, ये जो क्वेश्चन है इसमें कौन सा रेशियो से दो पार्टनर प्रॉफिट को डिवाइड करेगा एक क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया हुआ है. तो जब रेशियो नहीं दिया होगा क्वेश्चन में तो क्या करना है, प्रॉफिट को इक्वली डिवाइड करना है. दो पार्टनर है तो 1:1 से प्रॉफिट डिवाइड होगा. ठीक है, हाफ हाफ डिवाइड हो जाएगा. नाउ विल ट्राई टू रीड द ट्रायल बैलेंस. This is debit balance and this is credit balance. Okay. Now you see, first of all it is given carriage outward. This is indirect expenses. Carriage inward, carriage on sales. Okay, same thing. This is indirect expenses. So this one you will record in profit and loss account debit side. Okay. Next, printing and stationery. This is also indirect expenses. So this one also will be recorded on debit side of profit and loss account. Closing inventory. Inventory means stock. Closing stock. Assets. This one you will record in balance sheet on asset side. Next, rent given. Rent is indirect expenses. So this one also you will record on debit side of the profit and loss account. Next, bills receivable. Assets. This one also where you will record in balance sheet on asset side. Bad debts. This is loss. So this one you will record on debit side of the profit and loss account. Student, this one is old bad debts. Okay, old bad debts, new provision, old provision, related one video already I sent you, and there given the explanation of these new bad debts, old bad debts, new provision, old provision, what is new bad debts, what is old bad debts, what is new provision, what is old provision, all these things given explanation and how you will calculate. Okay, so first of all you watch that video, then you come to this question. Okay, then it will be easy for you to understand. So this bad debt is old bad debts. Okay, so this one you have to record on debit side of the profit and loss account. Next, advertisement. This is the expenses. So this is indirect expenses. This one also you will record on debit side of the profit and loss account. Investment, assets. This one you will record in balance sheet on asset side. ESI contribution. This one given on debit side. Okay, ESI, employees state insurance contribution. So this is also one type of expenses, indirect expenses. This one also you will show on debit side of the profit and loss account. Cash at bank, assets. This one you will show on asset side of the balance sheet. Okay, cash in hand also assets. This one also will show on balance sheet, which side, asset side. Next, fine for breach of pollution act. Okay, for the pollution act, fine here charge. So this is one type also, one type of expenses. There is indirect expenses. Okay, so this one also you will show on debit side of the profit and loss account. Next, plant and machinery. This is fixed assets. So this one you will show on asset side of balance sheet. This one is depreciation on machinery. So already depreciation here calculated on this fixed asset, that is machinery, already given in the trial balance. So this one only you will show, that is on debit side of the profit and loss account. Okay. Next, given salaries, indirect expenses. So this one you will show on debit side of the profit and loss account. Sundry debtors. Debtor is customer of the business who goods purchase on credit. Okay. So sundry debtors, that is the assets, where you will show on asset side of the balance sheet. Goodwill is an intangible asset, where you will show on asset side of the balance sheet. So this, which side I have given explanation, debit side one. Now come to credit side. This on credit side. First of all, here given capital account of both the partner, that is Das and Sharma. So these two partners capital, where you will show, okay, where you will show, that is on liability side of the balance sheet. First you will show capital of, that is the Das capital on liability side, then Sharma's capital also you will show liability side of the balance sheet. With this capital you have to add share profit, interest on capital, partner salary. Okay, if there is given drawings in the question, then this one will be deducted from this capital. Okay. Next, bills payable. This is liability. So this one you will show on liability side of the balance sheet. Interest, which side given? Credit side given. That means interest received. How much? 600. Now this here, see, provision for doubtful debts given. This is old provision. This one you can show on credit side of the profit and loss account, or this old provision you can deduct from the that is from new provision. Okay, so I will show you the calculation. Then sundry creditors, this is liability. So this one you will show on liability side of the balance sheet. Okay. Next, bad debts recovered, bad debt loss, that loss recovered. Okay, so this one you will show, that is indirect income. So this one you will show on credit side of the profit and loss account. Sale of scrap. Okay, some wastage materials that are sold, and how much got? 100 rupees. That is also one indirect income. So this one also you will show on credit side of the प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट. ठीक है ना. कुछ कचरा होता है ना, तो कचरा जो होता है वो कबाड़े वाला को बेच दिया जाता है. ठीक है ना, तो उससे थोड़ा मोड़ा पैसा आ गया. ठीक है ना. नेक्स्ट, ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट. तो दिस ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल गेट? वेल, यू विल प्रिपेयर ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट. तो हियर इन दिस क्वेश्चन gross profit balance already given, so no need to prepare trading account. The gross profit this much given, so this gross profit where I will show in profit and loss account, which side? Credit side. Okay, now see the adjustment here. Interest due but not received, rupees 200. Some interest due but not received, this is called accrued income, ACCRU. Okay, accrued income, income but not yet received. So this is indirect income. So this one you will show first of all on credit side of the profit and loss account, and again this one you will show on asset side of the balance sheet. You know well that whatever the adjustment, this all are adjustment will be affect how many times? 2 times. You have to show how many times? 2 times. One in income statement and again in balance sheet. Okay. Similarly, partners are entitled to interest on capital at 5% per annum. So here interest on capital for the partners 5%. So interest on capital is an expense for the firm. So first of all, this interest on capital you have to show in profit and loss appropriation account debit side. And again this interest on capital you have to show on liability side of the liability side. Okay, that means this interest on capital you have to add with each partner's capital. That is 2 partners given. Okay. Next, salary to be allowed to partners, rupees 900 per annum each. Okay. That means both the partners get salary rupees how much? 900 for 1 year. Okay. Per annum means 1 year. Next, 150 to be written off as bad debt. This one is new bad debt. If it is given in adjustment, this is new bad debt. So this new bad debt, first you have to deduct from the sundry debtors, that is on asset side of the balance sheet. And again, this new bad debt you have to show in profit and loss account on debit side. Okay. Now, provision for doubtful debt is to be maintained at 5%. So this is new provision. This new provision, first of all, you have to deduct from the sundry debtors, that is on asset side of the balance sheet, this new provision. And again, this new provision you have to show on debit side of the profit and loss account. So when new bad debt and new provision given, so while you calculate new provision, the first of all, how you will calculate? First, sundry debtors value, and this new bad debt value will be subtracted, and whatever value will come, okay, on that value 5% you have to calculate. That will be the new provision for doubtful debt. Again, I am saying one video related to new bad debt, new provision, old bad debt, old provision, I have already provided. First you watch that one, then you come to this question. Otherwise it will be little bit difficult for you to understand. Okay, understood? So I have given your explanation. I will show you the what is that solution. Now you see the solution. First of all, you have to prepare profit and loss account in the books of Das and Sharma. Profit and loss account for the year ended 31st March 2011. Already I have given explanation, just I will show you the solution here. Okay. Now you see debit side and this is credit side, particular amount. Okay. तुम लोग क्वेश्चन को देखना और इसके बाद इस सॉल्यूशन को चेक करना. हमने ऑलरेडी अभी इस क्वेश्चन में एक्सप्लेनेशन दे दिया कौन कहाँ में होगा, ठीक है ना. कौन सा आइटम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट में होगा, कौन सा आइटम प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस प्रोविजन अकाउंट में होगा और कौन सा आइटम बैलेंस शीट में होगा. ये हमने एक्सप्लेनेशन दे दिया है, ठीक है ना. अभी क्वेश्चन को देख देख के इसका सॉल्यूशन को चेक करना, ठीक है. फिर भी एक बार हम सुना देता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, टू कैरेज आउटवर्ड इंटरनल एक्सपेंस 250 गिवन, टू प्रिंटिंग एंड स्टेशनरी 250, to rent 150. Now you see the calculation here. First of all bad debts you write 225, that is given in trial balance, then plus bad debt, that is new bad debts, that is given in adjustment 150, then plus provision for doubtful debt. DD means doubtful debt. Okay, provision for doubtful debt, that is the new one. Okay, new one provision, this one. This is the new where it is given in adjustment. The how you will calculate? First of all, you write the value of sundry debtors minus, that is the new bad debts. Okay, so 2150 minus 150, that means 2000. On this 2000 calculate 5%, that you will get 100 rupees. So old bad debt plus new bad debt plus new provision, all these you add together, then subtract provision for doubtful debt, that is the old provision that is given in trial balance on credit side. This one also you can show on credit side. Okay, that is your wish. तुम लोग ये प्रोविजन फॉर डाउटफुल डेट यहाँ से डिडक्ट भी कर सकता है या तो इसको क्रेडिट साइड में भी दिखा सकता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज टू एडवर्टाइजमेंट 200 टू ESI कंट्रीब्यूशन 100 टू फाइन फॉर ब्रीच ऑफ पोल्यूशन एक्ट 100 टू डेप्रिसिएशन एंड मशीनरी 110 टू सैलरीज 900. देन बाय ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट ब्रॉट डाउन 3660. बाय interest given on trial balance credit side, that is 600, that is already received, and this much left, this much yet to receive, that is 200, that is called accrued income but not yet received, that is called accrued income or accrued interest. How much? 200. So 600 plus 200, total 800. Okay, then by bad debts recovered 315, by sale of scrap 100 rupees. Now all these you add 4875, same total right here 4875, and from this total you have to subtract all these expenses 250, 250, 150, 350, 200, 100, 100, 110, 900. Then this much balance you will get. This balance on debit side, that is known as net profit CD carried down. Okay, now this net profit you have to transfer on credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. Now you see here, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2011, debit credit particular amount. So this net profit you have to brought which side? On credit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. So by profit and loss account, because this net profit you got from profit and loss account, so that's why you write by profit and loss account. Inside the bracket you write net profit T/F transferred. Okay, 2465. Now this side, two interest on capital, partners interest on capital, Das and Sharma, two partners. Interest on capital, you have to calculate on the opening capital of these two partners. So Das opening capital, how much in the question? That is given in trial balance. You check here. Das opening capital, that is 1500, and Sharma also same. So both the partners capital same. Okay. So here Das 1500, Sharma 1500, interest on capital at 5%, right? These two are this one given in adjustment, interest on capital. The 5% on 1500, 75 same, it will be here 75. These two you add together 150. Similarly, two salary, two partners. This one also given in adjustment. Both the partners, Das salary 900, Sharma salary 900. This one also given in adjustment 1800. बार बार बोल रहा है तुम लोग क्वेश्चन को देखना फिर सोल्यूशन को देखना, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट, तो दैट्स ऑल. नाउ दिस make it total, so 2465, same total will be here, the same total you write here, and from this total you subtract 150 and 1800, so this much balance you will get, that is the profit. And this is called distributable profit, and this profit will be divided among the partners. So you have to write here two share of profit, then you write here Das, Sharma, total 515, so 515. No ratio here given in this question, so that's why both the partners profit will be divided equally. Equally means 1:1, half, 1/2, 1/2. If you divide it 257.5, 257.5, ठीक है ना, पॉइंट में निकलेगा. तो एक काम करना, पॉइंट में निकलेगा तो 257.5, ठीक है ना. इसको एक काम करना है, यहाँ में 1 इंक्रीज कर देना है, तो लिखना है 258, ठीक है ना. तो यहाँ भी 258 होना चाहिए, तो यहाँ में अगर 8 लिख देगा तो टोटल 1 रुपीज ज्यादा आ जाएगा, तो बैलेंस करना है थोड़ा, ठीक है ना. तो यहाँ में 7 लिख देना है, और अगर यहाँ में 7 लिखा तो यहाँ में 8 लिखना है, ठीक है. तो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट. नाउ आई विल शो यू बैलेंस शीट. नाउ यू सी द बैलेंस शीट of the firm as on 31st March 2011. Left side liability, right side assets. Okay, liability amount, assets amount. First of all, you write partners capital, that is the Das capital given in the trial balance 1500. With this capital, you have to add interest on capital, salary and share of profit. Drawings not given in the question, ठीक है ना. ड्राइंग्स क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया है, अगर ड्राइंग दिया होता तो लेस कर देता. तो दास का कैपिटल लिखा, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट साइड में लिखा है, ठीक है ना. सैलरी प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट साइड, शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट साइड, ये तीनों प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट डेबिट साइड से आया है. तो इस सबको ऐड कर देना है और हमें लिख देना है 2733. ओके. सिमिलरली यू हैव टू शो शर्मा कैपिटल ऑल्सो 1500 ओपनिंग कैपिटल, देन इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल 75, सैलरी 900, शेयर ऑफ प्रॉफिट 257, ऑल दिस ऐड टुगेदर, देन 2732 विल गेट. Next, bills payable liability for 525, that is given in trial balance. Sundry creditors liability, that is also given in trial balance, the 1400. Now all these you add together, then total you will get 7390. Similarly, you have to show on asset side. Now you see plant and machinery 990, investment 500, cash at bank 700, cash in hand 300. Now you see the sundry debtor. Sundry debtor given on debit side of the trial balance, that is 2150. From these debtors you have to deduct new bad debt, that is already we have calculated, we have shown on profit and loss account debit side. So that new bad debt one you have to deduct from this sundry debtors 150, that is completely loss. Okay. Next, new provision. The new provision also you have to deduct from this sundry debtors 100. So if you deduct all these two, then you will get 1900. Similarly, what is that? Goodwill 2000, intangible assets, accrued interest, that is interest due but not yet received, that is given in adjustment 200, bill receivable 300, and closing inventory 500. Total you will get 7390. Okay, so I hope after watching this you will understand, and if you have any query you can contact me. Okay. So thank you for today.